5.
The wife lovingly prepares this gift for her husband, hoping to give him a surprise in calm days. 3D printers, once only applied in work, now have use in life. We commit to greatly simplifying their setup processes. Selpix Star A 3D printer makes leveling easier and saves people from endless waiting. It supports a variety of printing filaments. Is it hard to achieve high precision? No, we did it! Selpix Star A is a laser engraver and a printer with USB online and SD card printing support. Star A features finer details and opens up more possibilities. The touchscreen, even kids can operate Star A, and DIYers can test their novel ideas. People get no need to worry about discontinuation for power outage, as Star A can resume printing. Its noise is barely audible. Its capability is pretty incredible. Its craftsmanship and performance are truly remarkable. Star A is an open-source 3D printer supporting many add-ons. All accessories are available.
4.
Hey Indiegogo, meet Ginjot, a cleaning mop with washable, dual-sided microfiber pads that deals with all kinds of surfaces. Dust, hair, that's no longer a problem. Ginjot cleans everything. And the UV sterilizer placed in the cleaning mop disinfects your house by killing 99.9% of bacteria. What's great about Ginjot is its flexibility. It easily rotates up to 360 degrees, touching even the most unreachable angles. Most importantly, Ginjot is concerned about the thickness of your wallet. That is why solar-powered batteries built into the mop help to consume less electricity and save the environment at the same time. And by the way, Ginjot is fully recycled, meaning that by choosing Ginjot, you reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. When you're done with your cleaning, just put the microfiber pad in the washing machine. Pre-order your Ginjot now with special discount and free shipping, only on Indiegogo.
3.
Are you missing those split-second shots that determine the winner? Let your body's electrical impulses make your next move. Brink Bionics is debuting the fastest gaming technology in the industry with its Impulse Neurocontroller to optimize your speed in first-person shooter and fast-paced action games.
I'm playing Overwatch right now, and I can clearly notice the difference in one-on-one battles that I'm winning, like just that one right there, right? We're head-to-head with each other, and because the Brink Bionics glove, my game rendered first, and I had the ability to kill the other person.
The time between muscle contraction to click can take up to 150 milliseconds. Your current gaming mouse is reactive to your movements, whereas Impulse is proactive. Impulse works with your mouse to tap into your body's electrical signals to anticipate your choice up to 80 milliseconds before you click your mouse. React before the competition. Why be mechanical when you can be electric?
2. 1.
Like a headband?
Yes.
Whoa, crazy.
What is this?
Run up.
Hey, call Tina.
Hello?